In a world where whispers of nature spoke louder than words, a guardian emerged. "Why do you protect these lands?" asked a curious wanderer. "Here, life finds refuge," the guardian replied, gesturing to the vibrant tapestry of flora and fauna. Each creature, from the tiniest insect to the majestic stag, played a role in the symphony of existence. "Without these sanctuaries, the balance falters," the guardian continued. The wanderer nodded, understanding the silent pact between Earth and its stewards. "Together, we preserve the harmony," they agreed, their voices echoing through the timeless woods.